Hello YouTube, this is Ricky Dale again. This time we're doing part 12. Not too many things in this part because these are just the top two tops of two of my bookcases. So, here we go. First thing I have is a Rubik 360. Nothing unusual about that. I have a Mad Triad. Kind of hard to get the whole thing in there, but there it is, a Mad Triad. Still in the box. A Sudoku code breaker. A lot of these things are in boxes this time. Nemesis Factor. One of the best electronic puzzles ever. At least in my opinion. I love it. Rubik's Touch Cube. There it is. I used it one time. Don't really like it. There's a big hype about it, but it's frustrating more than anything else. A Miller High Life puzzle. You gotta take these little rods out and put them in the right places. Trepagon. Made in the USA. Well, something at least. I guess this is his cousin, the Octacube. Not sure what those even do. Haven't even played with them. Master Ball. Again, these are on my top shelf, so I don't dust very often in that. Should I make it a habit? Generic, I guess. Oh, Young June. Rubik's World. Well, not Rubik's, sorry, but a World puzzle. Chaotic Cube. There it is. A Nikosuku. My daughter got me that. Wonderful Puzzler Octagonal Barrel. Still in the case. Brain Ball. Train Your Brain by Brainwave. This one's probably not made in the USA. Neuronic numbers, like an instant insanity. You just gotta get the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 on all 4 sides with no repeats. Another one just like that. The IQ puzzle, basically the same thing. 4 colors, all 4 different sides. Just got this in a few days ago. Blocks box. A Piet Hein design. Like a -1 kind of. It's like the black slides of the 7 cubes to face outside. 40,319 wrong ways to do it, 1 right way. It's kind of like an inversion, I guess. Also related to that, I would think. Hungarian globe. Oh, I don't know if it's Hungarian. This Earth globe. It looked like the Hungarian globes. This one's still sealed. Made in Hungary. Well, so I guess it is. Another master ball. Circus master ball. Dream balls. Dream ball puzzles. And that one. The soccer ball looking one. And then that one. Okay, we have a Rubik's cube in a different packaging. And I have a Seagram 7 slide puzzle. These things slide. Kind of like the Coca-Cola puzzles. But you just gotta get these in the right order and slide these parts up and down. I think these go up and down also. Yeah. So, I guess it's kind of very finicky. I got the Seagram 7 and I got the Glenlivet. Still missing the Seagram VO. I'm looking for that one. And then I have another thing. It's not really like a twisty puzzle, but it's called Pac-Man Panic. Field. 1982, I believe. Yeah. Anyway, you gotta get all these little balls inside his mouth. His mouth opens. There's balls in there, and you just swirl it around until all the balls land in his mouth. And then you close it up. Well, that is it for my collection of part 12. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.